Welcome, fitness enthusiasts, to the game-changing 7 steps to build a perfect male physique. Join us on this transformative journey as we unveil the blueprint to sculpting a body that redefines human potential. Get ready to unleash your inner Adonis and rewrite the limits of physical greatness. Let's make history together. Set clear goals. Setting clear goals is the crucial first step on your journey to sculpting the perfect male physique. As you embark on this transformative endeavor, envision the physique you desire with vivid clarity. Picture yourself with the strength, definition, and confidence that accompanies your ideal physique. Let your imagination run wild, visualizing every muscle fiber, every chiseled line, and the radiance that emanates from within. These goals will serve as your guiding stars, igniting a relentless fire within you that fuels your determination to overcome challenges and embrace the sweat-drenched, exhilarating path that leads you closer to the embodiment of your aspirations. With unwavering focus, unwavering determination, and a powerful vision, you shall forge your own path toward the manifestation of your perfect male physique, unveiling a masterpiece that is a testament to your dedication, discipline, and unyielding spirit. Develop a workout routine. Developing a workout routine is like crafting a symphony for your body, harmonizing strength, power, and grace. Each workout becomes a carefully orchestrated movement, a transformative dance between you and the weights. With meticulous precision, you select exercises that sculpt every muscle group, carefully sculpting the masterpiece that is your physique. As you push, pull, and lift, you embrace the exhilarating challenge, relishing in the symphony of effort and determination that reverberates through your being. Your workout routine becomes a sanctuary, a sacred space where you push beyond your limits, unlocking untapped potential and discovering the depths of your physical prowess. Each session leaves you with a sense of accomplishment, a euphoria that resonates long after the weights are set down. With each repetition, you sculpt the physique of your dreams, embodying the fusion of artistry and athleticism, and becoming the living embodiment of strength and resilience. Focus on progressive overload. In the realm of physical transformation, the concept of progressive overload is the alchemist's touch that transmutes effort into strength, and dedication into tangible results. It is the art of pushing beyond boundaries, daring to challenge the limits you once believed were insurmountable. Like a sculptor refining their masterpiece, you incrementally add weight, intensity, and complexity to your exercises, coaxing your muscles to adapt and grow stronger. Each rep becomes a testament to your relentless pursuit of excellence, as you push through the resistance, not only in the gym but also in your own spirit. The path to the perfect male physique is paved with the unwavering commitment to surpass yesterday's accomplishments and venture into uncharted territory. With each new milestone, you ascend to new heights, etching the contours of your ideal physique with unwavering determination and an unquenchable thirst for self-improvement. Through the symphony of progressive overload, you unveil a masterpiece that embodies the harmony of strength, power, and unwavering resolve. Pay attention to nutrition. Nutrition becomes the artist's palette, the vibrant array of colors that breathe life into your quest for the perfect male physique. Like a skilled chef, you carefully select each ingredient, crafting a masterpiece of nourishment that fuels your body's transformation. Lean proteins act as the cornerstone, building blocks that repair and sculpt your muscles with every savory bite. Complex carbohydrates dance upon your plate, providing sustained energy to propel you through rigorous workouts and conquer new milestones. Healthy fats, like strokes of a brush, add depth and richness to your culinary canvas, supporting hormone production and optimizing nutrient absorption. And amidst this symphony of nutrients, a kaleidoscope of fruits and vegetables burst forth, infusing your body with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that rejuvenate and revitalize. With each mindful bite, you honor the temple that is your body, nourishing it with love and purpose. Nutrition becomes your ally, the secret ingredient that enhances your physical transformation and manifests the perfect fusion of strength, vitality, and aesthetic excellence. Manage caloric intake. Managing caloric intake is like wielding a sculptor's chisel, delicately shaping your body with precision and finesse. Like a maestro of balance, you assess your goals and adjust the caloric symphony accordingly. To sculpt a muscular physique, a slight caloric surplus provides the foundation, a surplus that fuels growth and ignites the furnace of muscle development. Conversely, to reveal the chiseled contours of your creation, a caloric deficit unveils the hidden masterpiece, melting away layers of excess fat to expose the aesthetic masterpiece beneath. Yet, this symphony is not solely about quantity, but quality as well. You weigh macronutrients in your hands, orchestrating the perfect harmony of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Every morsel becomes a deliberate stroke, blending flavors and ratios to nourish your body with intention and finesse. With each measured bite, you balance nourishment and indulgence, honoring the art of moderation and the joy of savoring the journey. In this delicate dance of calories and nutrients, you wield the chisel of transformation, sculpting the physique of your dreams with meticulous care and unwavering dedication. Prioritize rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are the interludes that punctuate the symphony of your physical transformation, providing the necessary pauses for rejuvenation and growth. Like a master conductor, you understand the importance of silence amidst the music, recognizing that true strength is forged in the moments of rest. It is during these intervals that your body repairs, rebuilds, and adapts to the demands you have placed upon it. You embrace the power of slumber, where dreams intertwine with cellular regeneration, and each night's sleep becomes a nocturnal symphony of renewal. You honor rest days as sacred rituals, allowing your body to replenish its reserves, healing the micro-tears in your muscles, and preparing for the crescendo of progress that lies ahead. In this realm of recovery, you also tend to your spirit, tending to the garden of your mental well-being. You find solace in meditation, yoga, or moments of quiet introspection, nourishing the soul as you do the body. Embracing rest and recovery, you acknowledge that the symphony of transformation requires harmonious pauses, where the body finds its rhythm, and the mind finds tranquility. Stay consistent and stay patient. Staying consistent and patient is akin to being a master craftsman, meticulously chiseling away at your masterpiece, knowing that time and dedication will yield the desired results. Like the passage of seasons, you embrace the ebb and flow of progress, understanding that true transformation is not an overnight spectacle but a symphony of gradual evolution. You steadfastly adhere to your routine, unwavering in your commitment, even when the tempo of progress seems slow. You trust in the process, knowing that each rep, each meal, each day contributes to the grand opus of your journey. You celebrate the small victories along the way, savoring the moments of strength and accomplishment. In the face of obstacles, you exhibit resilience, adjusting your approach, and finding alternative routes to navigate the challenges that arise. Patience becomes your virtue, a steady hand that shapes your destiny. And as the final strokes of your artistic endeavor come into view, you bask in the fulfillment of knowing that your unwavering consistency and patience have brought forth a physique that is a testament to your unwavering dedication, a masterpiece forged through the symphony of time, discipline, and unwavering belief in your own potential. Thank you for watching us. See you in the next video.